In this video, you are going to watch Kids Haircut Service. Our salon have a team of professional hairstylists who specializes in kids haircut. In the first step, our hairstylist cut the lower hair section symmetrically with a trimmer so that we can give him a properly shaped hair look. After that, we did final trimming to improve the hair shape so that in future the hair grows in a right shape. Always remember, it's important to trim your kids' hair once in a while to keep the hair healthy. That's it for today. Follow our channel to get the latest update.